select the Type tool. Select No Color for the fill. And pick a stroke color. Pick a font. And type your text. Use the selection tool to resize and move the text. Adjust the stroke weight to your liking. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make one copy. Move the text horizontally and vertically. Use the same amount for both. I use an amount of -8 pixels. Increase the amount of copies until you're happy with the effect. If you want, you can change the text while keeping the effect. And that's how you create this text effect.